Hello friends, in this video we will learn Java Spring Boot project. Here we will learn how to write fast code on Java Spring Boot. I mean to say how to write the hello world type program. Here Java is the programming language and Spring Boot is the Java framework. Okay, the easiest way to create the first Java program is open the Spring Initializr. Spring Initializr. Okay, then click on Spring Initializr. What it needs, it is a Java or Spring Boot. Choose the Java. Okay, then choose the build tool. I will let you know what is the Maven. Maven is the build tool for Java based app. Choose it. Then choose the framework. What is the version? You may choose 3.3.1 or 3.2, any. I choose it. Project metadata. Fill it according to your need. I will name it Take Talk. Artifact name. You can name it after compile the Java based project. It will create an artifact. What will be the artifact name? Spring Java. Okay, description. It is the package name. Okay, what will be the Java version 7? Then you choose the dependencies. I choose web, Spring Web. Okay, you can choose Lombok. Okay, you can choose JDBC. H2 database also. Any dependency. Then you create the create button. Okay, it will create here, but I want to lab in the Linux based OS. I have a virtual machine. Okay, and I already run it in this way. Here we can create. Okay, first you need to know to write the program. The easiest way is this: open spring.io and Spring Boot. Okay, you open it, browser, wait a little bit. This is the easiest way to start Spring Java application. Spring is here in Spring Initializr. Okay, and click here. Okay, choose Java programming language and Maven is the build tool. Okay, then you choose the Spring Boot version 3. Okay, you can name it Take with me. Java Spring app. You can name it Java Spring. Okay, then it package will be the jar or war. I will let you know what is the jar or war. And Java version 70. Then all the choose the dependencies. Web, and again choose Lombok. You can again choose J2, JDBC, 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 etc. According to your need, you can choose here. Search here and choose here. Then click on generate. Okay. It will download in a zip file. Open it. Okay. Then right click over here and open in. You can cut here, cut the your zip file and down and it will, you can create here, download others files, delete it. Okay, you can delete others files. Okay, then open the terminal and let it be ls. This is the zip file you already downloaded in the Spring Initializr from the Spring Initializr. First, you have to untar it. So untar, unzip, okay, ls cd that folder. Okay. Press tab, you will enter the folder. Okay, then you can open it in any code editor. In my case, Visual Studio Code. Okay, code space enter. It will open in a Visual Studio Code. Okay, yes, you can see this is the Java Spring. Okay, first, then you should open these files also. Copy. Okay, this file and this file. This is very important website. Okay, easiest way. Okay, this is the, you can close it. Structure of the, you need to know the structure of the Java Spring Boot app. Open the IDE. This is the structure. First, click on, this is the source src file. Under src, it contains main and test. Under main, it to Java resources. Under Java, this Java Spring application. Java. This is the code. And under test, this is the Java application test.java. Okay. To write hello world type program. First write. Step key how to, this is the src folder and pom folder. You will see this is the pom folder. What is the pom folder? Pom folder is contains pom folder. It dependencies are mentioned here in the pom folder. Dependencies are mentioned. When I choose the Lombok or Java web, all the things are mentioned here. Here mentioned group ID, take with me. I will write at the time of generation. Artifact ID, version, all the properties file, Java version, and all the dependencies are mentioned in the pom. Pom file is very important in Java based application. Okay, pom file. Again, I show you what is the structure of the Java file. This is the source and pom file, same point, source and pom file. Under source, main and test. Okay, main and test. This is the how to write the first Java program, hello world type program. To write, open the Spring Boot guides. Okay, all the links in the description. To write hello world type program, this is the hello control. You can create a hello controller Java. First, open it here. You can create a file. It's hello controller dot Java. Hit enter. Okay, then you have to choose. This is the file. Copy and paste here. First line should be this is Control C, hello control, open the hello controller file and Control F, Control V. Okay, what will be the message? I will print hello world. Welcome. You can message it hello world, but DevOps world. You can write dev ops DevOps world. Okay. Okay. This message I will write to this message. Okay. This is I Control S, save the file. Actually, developer writes the code. In DevOps, you should build and test. Then I will know what is the steps key. Right, I have already write the hello world type. Then what is the step? Then the build is the next process. What is build? Build, it converts the code into machine readable. What is build? Build is the, this is the code. This is the code, and this code build. This code build. Build is the Java based. Build helps to convert the Java code into machine readable, or that is the binaries executable. It creates the jar. Actually, build code, it creates the machine readable format, and this code runs. What is the first write the Java based application, then build it. After build, it creates the jar or var or binaries. Then you can run it. Then only you can view the message, whatever you write. I write the DevOps word. Okay. Then I move to the build. You know the build. As Java is the compiled language, it requires the build tool. Java based. What build tools do? It converts the high level programming language into machine readable, that is executable, or jar or var. Jar or var is the artifacts, actually artifacts. What is the prerequisite? Install Java JDK, not JRE on mesh, and install Maven. What is the Maven? Maven is the Java build tool, and to require it is the Java based program. That's why you need Java JDK, not JRE. JRE is the Java runtime environment. To compile this, Java C is required. For this, Java JDK is very important to install it. Okay. To install the command, to install the this, you need this command. Okay. First check, is there available or not. Okay. Control backtick, open the terminal. Then you check the Java is installed or not. Java -ver sion. Java 11 is installed, but I need Java 17. Whenever I choose the project, I choose the Java 17. So Java 17 is required. For this, sudo apt install Java JDK. Copy it and paste. Sorry. Okay. Hit enter. Also, it install the Java 17, Java JDK 17. Okay, wait, press Y, hit the enter. Failed to fetch. Or not for, it creates a problem. Okay. For that you can choose also Java 11 also. Then you need Maven. For this, you should this. Copy and paste from hit enter. Maven is already installed on image. Okay, clear the. Then you can choose, you can check the Java C install or not. Java C hyphen Java C hyphen V or SIO. Okay. So install sudo apt install Java C, this version. Copy, Ctrl C P, home, studio for Java 17. Hit enter. Y 404 MD it creates a problem. Java 17 JRE headless. Okay, clear. What will record? First, I have write the code. This is my code. Then build the process. To build, what will the required command? Build command is the, this is the build command. Ambient compile, or you can use ambient test, or if ambient package. Whenever you use ambient package, it creates a target folder and it contains jar. Okay. Ambient pwd, where we look at it, ls. You can see the pom file is here and src folder is here. Whenever you put the ambient command, you should, ambient command must be in this location. Pom file is there and src folder is there. Otherwise, it will build the build failure. Ambient compile. First command. ambient compile. It compiles it checks the syntax of the code. Ambient compile, hit enter. Wait a little bit. Actually, it downloads the dependencies mentioned in the compile. This is this. Okay. Then we have to, if you can see the test file folder also. This is the source under main and test. Yes, you can see the test. If you write the test code, you can write the, actually it shows the build failure. For this purpose, we need Java 17. Okay. Actually, it will show the build success when if you install Java 17. Okay. What is the next process? Next process is Java jar. It don't Java 17. Okay. For this purpose, we close all the things and all. And again, I will create a Java Spring app with this Spring Initializr. For this Java, Cfonator, Maven, all the things are same, but here Java 17 is only available. To run the Java jar, default port of the Java is 8080. To check for local status. And this is the actually code Maven build. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Okay, the Java 17 didn't install, that's why it throws build failure. For this purpose, I have to update the repository. First, update the repository. Okay, form file is there. Okay, can install Java 17 JDK headless. Why? Okay, Java 17 has been installed. You can check it, Java version. Okay, then you can build the Java based app. For this, mvn clean package. What happens? Test fail. Okay, build fail. Test run fail. In test, Java application test. For this purpose, to create the Java, open, create a file. Java controller test.java, create a file, and Spring Initializr. Okay, to test the controller Java test file. Okay, to use the test file, the controller test the Java file, and you have to put all the things. Copy, Control V, paste. On this line, copy and paste it here. Okay, in pom file, you have to put this line dependency. Add this dependency. Copy dependency point. This is the dependency. Here you can enter Control V, or you have to align it. Group ID, modify setting, go, and end the ocean. Control S. Then you have to again run the compile. Maven clean. Maven clean package, it actually it deletes the previous jar file and it creates a new one. You again say the build file. Test run file. You can compile, build success. Testfully, Java controller. The controller to Java. Copy. Okay, control S. It dependency added. I have already added the dependency. Again, I have to ls compile is there. Okay, I have to check that what is the target for cd target. Ls, there is no compile. Cd space folder mvn clean psckage. Error. You can delete the compile. Clean package. Okay, build success. In this in previous, I didn't run the test. I only run the hello world program. It creates the jar file, and jar file is located at target folder. Java Spring, that is the jar file. Okay, to see the ls, you can see folder, the target folder. This is the target folder. Okay, you can ls it. Java Spring. This is how to run the jar file. To run the jar file, Java space jar, then name of the jar. Copy and paste and hit enter. It is run, and to show to display the message, DevOps word, I have to open the browser, then http localhost 8080. 8080 is the default port for Java based application. Hit enter. Oh, sorry, already running a program in this file. Okay, you can curl it. You can curl it. Curl, C-U-R-L, curl, HTTP :/ localhost :/ 8080 enter. It is already running a program in this way. Okay, in this way, you can also view the Maven 5 minutes. You can see this is the Maven, this is the Java-based project file structure. This is the pom file. What is the pom file? Project configuration in Maven, a single configuration. Build the project, Maven package, build success, Java. Okay. This is the Maven pages: validate, compile, test, package, verify, install, deploy. Okay, clean site. Okay, with this we conclude the video.